Hey everyone, my name is Alex, and I'm going to be presenting to you my Hack the Horizon Hackathon project. So initially, I wasn't really going to submit it because there was no way I could finish this in time. But so I'm still end up being here and using this occasion to show what I'm planning. So here we go. OpenFi is going to be, well, it's not really right now because anyway. OpenFi is going to be a multi-platform decentralized application which will act as a replacement for banks. It plans to give the user ability to manage their transactions easily and budget them for everyday spending management. So it plans to have like custom debit cards which users would encode and write themselves in a simple click of a button using a web USB. The card would be supplied a new wallet with private key, which would be encrypted by the user's PIN, so like no unencrypted keys laying around, especially in a NFC environment. And then after the wallet would be created, smart contracts would also be deployed, and the only two addresses being allowed to interact with that contract would be the card's wallet and the user's main wallet. So he could recover funds in the case that his card got lost or stolen. And this way, the way that this is thought out is that it would allow users to create new cards on wallets on a regular basis, so that his wallet never gets compromised, even if someone manages to break that private key. On the commerce side of things, OpenFi wants to provide a secure point of sale terminal, which uses the same NFC and RFID readers already available on the market. That would allow stores and companies and everything to receive HRC20 tokens, stablecoins included, in exchange for their services, like basically as a payment type and payment form. And on the banking side of things, the goal here is to open multiple accounts in different currencies in which we link a stablecoin. So simply said, the bank account would receive funds, mint, and send the same amount of tokens linked to that currency to the user that sent the fiat transfer. It would act as a portal from fiat to HRC20. Users would buy the tokens with fiat, and then use the fiat in a card context given before, or simply buy other tokens from exchanges on OpenFi or Harmony exchanges. Then if a user wants to cash out, he simply has to buy this stable coin or the one that he already has in his wallet and burn in the exchange of a wire transfer. OpenFi will also bring ease of access to Ethereum users by allowing them to migrate their tokens to Harmony blockchain directly from the user interface. With the Horizon bridge, hopefully V2 will come out soon, so that'll be much easier and less need of trust. So this would allow ease of access for people already using Ethereum, and we have to remind them that it's not really sane to spend $34 on a single transaction when you could be spending like 0.001 USD. Switch to Harmony, people, it's fucked up. And so, to continue this, all users will have to do to sign up and use OpenFi would be to create a DeFi account, deploy the contracts, so yeah, the user kind of has to type in his passwords a couple of times for each contract deployment. I think I'm going to simplify this in creating the same contract and then having the user choose which contracts he wants to deploy. We can have like all kinds of contracts being made and management for money. I mean, versatility of Solidity is amazing. And so there, I basically published all the contracts that we needed, and we can just sign in. Please don't take care of the visuals right now. I mean, this is not even close to finished, but this is basically just basic UI and not very well made at all, actually. It's still a work in progress. We'll have just the cars, the swapping places, liquidity pools, the staking, and that's pretty much all. And so feel free to go look at the source code. I mean, I have source code written there. I have details, pretty much what I'm explaining right now. The contracts deployed, like previously. Let's just take a look at the wallet one. Basically, this just initializes and keeps store of which wallets you own. I mean, you'll be able to manage multiple wallets on this thing, so that's going to be useful. And that's about it. Feel free to look at the source code. I also have a node running, a validator node, so if you feel like depositing just even a couple thousand coins, that'd be cool. Get this thing elected would be nice. Anyways, have a nice day and take care.